बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। Respected Justice Jagdish Singh Kheha, this is the right pronunciation? Sometimes some people say this is a Kahar. So I was a little worried that such a good kind of person cannot be a Kahar, it will be Kheha. Former Chief Justice of India, Justice A. Mahmadi, former Chief Justice of India again, and we are very lucky that we are organizing this program under the guidance and supervision of the two Chief Justices of Supreme Court of India. Professor Umar Hassan Kasuli, Secretary General of International Institute of Islamic Thought. K. Rahmani is about to come. He is somewhere else, but he will be coming around 4 o'clock. We are 5 minutes late, another 5 minutes, 5 past 4. But he is in the way. He was a former member of parliament and also former union minister of Minority Affairs. We are really happy that our sister Aroop Al-Rifai has come to participate on behalf of international charitable organization. Brothers, from the delegates and guests, diplomats, honorable member of the press, dear brothers and sisters, friends and colleagues. We really very fortunate that I am not going to read out all the names. So many great scholars and dignitaries are available here, are participating in this program. Some of the hard data has already been presented by Professor Zainab Khan, Secretary General of Institute of Objective Studies. I am not going to repeat the same. But let me say one thing. When I was the student of Aligarh Muslim University doing my PhD, that time some questions came in my mind. Why it is happening that Islam in the Quran emphasizes about the equality, fraternity, liberty, justice, the same way in the Constitution of India, also as a preamble, emphasizing these 4 things which I have just repeated. But there is a huge contradiction between what is said in the Quran and what is said in the Constitution. As a result, there is a huge conflict. No implementation on the side of these 4 fundamental of the Constitution and 4 fundamental of the Quran too. So that what we can think of, the journey started from here. That has given a kind of thought in my mind, and we gradually developed this whole philosophy, which later on we term as the Institute of Objective Studies. We are trying our level best to remain as objective. Though some people are saying now that there is nothing objective, maybe, but for sure there is a lot of constructive also. So we are working on it from the constructive point of view, even if there is some question about the objective. Sir, I will not go the details of our journey because we have to listen to judges of our Supreme Court. So we have to make enough room and times available under their disposal. But what I feel, which I would like to present before the House as well as both learned judges. There is a conflicting voices are going on about the national security, preserving the culture, faith and values, individualism and community interest versus representation in a democratic country in the government about the equality that is under the challenge, fraternity, liberty and justice. So there are very huge conflict going on about the very fundamental part of the Constitution in which every human being believes. Second also, global trend is emerging, including in India, our country, a conflict between tyranny against the liberty. And at this moment, liberty is at stake. What action may be taken, I don't know. This is a question for this whole House, including all those who are experts in this field. How to remove this tyranny attitude at the global level, including our country, versus to protect the liberty. Then there is also very strong social discord against the social harmony. And unless social harmony will not be established, then this discord which is going on within the society and social behavior, it will damaging not only the society, not only the fraternity which Constitution talks, but also to our whole country. So this is again a big question. We do not know how to resolve. Hopefully during this coming 2 days and today, so it will be almost 3 days, some of the solution we may find out and it will be adopted in the regulation. The last point, sometimes we feel that sometimes even not knowing the background of the law and interpretation of the law, which also creates some problems to the society, because every law is having its own history, long passage which has passed. If it is not properly understood, and if the degree comes from the highest level, then that creates a lot of conflicts. And this happened many times. So this is again, I don't know how to reach to the learned, the scholars, advocates. I cannot say judges, but it is a very important segment for the society, because one misinterpretation leads for the longer period to resolve it. That always adds some kind of conflicts, and that kind of conflicts make the social disorder. Institute of Objective Studies. Trying its hard, its best to develop, for example, we are trying to create a center about how to understand history, how to work on the history. Then we also going to try to how to develop some special courses from the law point of view. Inshallah, we will talk later on at a different stage. So once again, I really appreciate and also thankful to everyone. Some of the people are coming from Aligarh, people has come from the Chennai and different part of the country. So, and also from Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and many other, Sri Lanka, etc. Many countries, including the Lebanon. South Africa and Qatar. So I welcome you all. If I have forgotten some of the countries, you don't mind, because it is written in our the speech, and it will be coming in the publication. Only points which I would like to emphasize, whatever the discussion will take place for 3 days, that is going to be fully recorded. Later on it will be coming as a book. Later on we will be having some recommendation, so that IOS just must follow whatever the recommendation is going to be accepted, so that we should not only come and get together and say some of the words and just to go out. I hope that Institute of Objective Studies will take care of all these kind of things. Once again, thank you very much indeed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.